Hey guys, what's up? I moved last week and I want to do a house tour for you guys. Here's the front of my new place. First things first, I want to start off with the best feature of this new place, and that is the view. The view is amazing. I get to see the sunrise, and I hope that it never gets old. I know it's definitely a great. It just gives me life. Anyways, time to go inside. Carly is whining, wondering where I am. Hi, Carly. Hi. Alright, so this here, I'll start in the kitchen since it's my favorite part. So, kitchen, here's all my stuff. I'm cooking some salsa chicken right now. I'm also baking some sweet potatoes. So I'm doing some meal prepping right now. But this is my kitchen, gas stove. Oops. So that's nice. Got a good enough amount of counter space. I would like to get a kitchen table or an island of some sort to put right here, but gotta save my pennies first. So, as you can see, this is a studio. I do not have any rooms, so my bed is also right next to the living room. Here's my workspace. So, the best part about this is I get a really good view while I work. And I get to watch the sunrise. Carly, stop. So yeah, not a bad gig. Moving this way, got my booster board that I can't really ride around here. But bookshelf, TV, living room, couch, bed. Here's my closet space, which is pretty nice. There's a lot of space, lots of places to, keep things organized. Got my underwear, all that stuff. Come around here. Oh, here's my bed again. My favorite feature of this house is the way that the shower is set up. It's definitely, there is zero privacy, so if you plan to visit me, expect to just be showering in the middle of the room. I'm trying to give you like a perspective of the shower, but it's kind of great. You just feel like you're kind of showering in nature. There's a lot of natural lighting in here, which is great. It calms me down, and also it's great for like food photography in comparison to like gross fluorescent lighting. So, yep, here's the tub. Here's the sink. Here's the bathroom. At least there's a bathroom door. However, if you poop, there ain't nothing that's gonna keep that stank in. So, you can kind of peek in. It's a sliding door. There's not a lot of privacy in here. So I get a washer dryer in the unit, which is nice. I just kind of kept my pantry. This is basically my pantry space right here. Fridge. Not a lot in here right now. But I'm cooking, so that could be also the reasoning. Yeah, so, I mean, nothing too crazy. It's one bedroom, just a studio, so I don't have like multiple bedrooms to show you. Hopefully you can kind of get a perspective of the layout. I love it so far. It's definitely different living by myself. I'm not used to it, so I've spent a total of like 2 nights here now, and it's it's different. And I've been, kind of trying to explore, go for walks, and get to know my surroundings a little bit to kind of ground me. The gym now is like I timed it 22 minutes away, so it's a bit of a trek. But yeah, I also have a doggy door, so Carly can kind of like come out with me to the outdoors. But yeah, pretty cool. I dig the view. I'm Carly. so you can kind of see the deck aspect of it. So yeah, I have a deck. It's pretty cool. I dig it. That's basically it. This is my house now. So yeah, you'll probably be seeing a lot more of it. If you have any questions pertaining to my new place, leave them down below. Hopefully I'll be doing a lot more like full day of eating videos, since I don't have to fight over the kitchen anymore, and all of those glorious things, if that is something that you are interested in seeing. But yeah, hopefully the power is set to go out Wednesday here in California, again due to fire hazard and high winds, and I'm on a well now since I live out in the country, so I will not have water without power. So it's going to be interesting and fun to try to figure that one out. I have to fill up, luckily there's a tub, so I can fill up this tub with water so I can flush the toilet, and just make sure to have drinking water on hand. Should be okay. But fun times in California. I was threatening to leave the state, but then found this place. Story of how I found this place. So my friend Jenny rents this place out, and it just so happened to, you know, work out that her tenants were moving out. I was looking for a place, so that's how, you know, I scored this place. So connections are like basically the only way to find a place in California. But anyways, that is it. I'm gonna go. I just wanted to give you a quick tour. Peace out, guys. I will see you next time.